So in this video, I'll be taking you through the process on how you can detach the attachments from your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons. So if you're using your Joy-Cons as mice and you're not completely sure on how you can remove these attachments, then it's fairly simple. So let's just put the Switch on the side. So when it comes to removing these attachments, what you're going to do is just look for this button at the very back of the Joy-Con like that. And you're just going to press on that button until this attachment pops out. So just press on the button. Once the attachment pops out and it looks something like that, you can now just drag the attachment and it will be successfully disconnected from your Joy-Con. Let's do the same thing on the other end. Press on the button until it pops out. Once it pops out, just drag the attachment out and you can see you've successfully detached them from the Joy-Cons. Once they've been detached, you can now go ahead and connect the Joy-Cons back to the console. And so that's how you can detach the attachments from your Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.